School can be really hard. Especially if you don't know what's going on. Alright, class. Anyone care to venture a guess? Please, not me. Let's see. Nina! Oh, I knew I should have studied. Grace us with your brilliance. Okay. I hate percentages. But I have a little trick. Multiply the 2 and the 8. And 5 times 3 is 15. Just one more. It's 63. Don't bother checking. They're right. What is this math sorcery? She thinks she's so smart, huh? Can I sit now? I assume you both studied. I hope. This looks hard. Speak for yourself, Nina. What do you think you're doing? So stingy. Guess I'm on my own here. None of this looks familiar. Who could that be? You kids stay put, you hear? Class has never been the same since we all got smartphones. Just ask the teachers. Yep, it's phone box time. I gotta hide this! You ladies getting any studying done? Ugh, I'm about to win! I hate it here. Like I want to read about photosynthesis. If you want to use your phone, you've gotta be next level sneaky. The answer was here all along. Face your phone face down. And use hot glue to make a line. Keep going all the way down. Then stick a colored pencil to it. Perfect! Now do it with a bunch more. Looks kinda cool, right? Now, nothing like the morning of exam day. Hold it! You have the answers in there? Ugh, how does he always know? Goodbye, sweet answers. You should have known better. Have fun! These kids never learn. Good morning! My book? Not gonna find much in there. Very good, Lily. Move along. I really needed those answers. This homework sure is tough. But I think I got it. Man, I'm sure proud of this one. This baggie ought to keep it safe. No water's getting in here. And into the backpack it goes. Can't wait to turn this bad boy in. Nina? Now where's that book? This thing can't be that bad. Oh, already bored. Who could that be? Hello? You finished the book yet? Me neither. I'd rather do anything else. Like watch a movie. Oh, here comes the good part! Die, robot, die! Come on! Just 2 more points! Oh man, what time is it anyway? What? How is it almost 8? This new pen is awesome! Did I make it? Hey! Did I miss a lot? So, I know you're all wondering about the nucleus. I don't know if I can stay awake for this. Nina? Nina! I said Nina! Wake up! Hello? Ugh. This is miserable. I just need to look awake, right? Bright eyes to the rescue! To make a pair, first you'll need a selfie. Well, just the eyes. Do I look awake yet? But if you add sulfur to the mix… Nighty-night. Anyone have any questions? Oh boy. We've got a sleeper, folks. Perhaps she needs a little wake-up call. I'm coming over there. Oh no! Oh, Nina. Trying to catch some… should I? You picked the wrong class to do it in. Hello? Earth to Nina! What? Well, good morning. Sure glad that wasn't me.
Come on! Speed it up! Uh-oh! Mom's coming! Gotta hide the phone!
Are you actually studying, or just playing with your phone again?
No, Mama.
What? You've only written this much in all this time? And what is this doing here? And another one? Oh my, they're everywhere! That's it! No more phones! Get to your studies. Right now!
Good thing I always have a plan B. I'm gonna eat you! No, please!
Huh? Are those toys? Not allowed!
No, check this out! This is my pencil sharpener. See?
Ooh, odd sharpener, don't you think?
But it works great! Oops. It also has a spot for an eraser, see?
Yes, not bad.
And it can hold this ruler, too.
Wow.
And the ruler turns into a bracelet.
I'm impressed.
But that's not all. It also has a stapler. See?
Super.
Wanna take a closer look?
Great gadget. You may use it. Now, moving on to…
Oh, How boring.
Now we add… Oh, lunch break. You can eat.
Finally. Let's get started. Oh no! Everything's mixed up! What a mess! Ugh, yuck! Oh! I think this folder will help me organize everything.
What are you doing?
This goes here. Sweets separately.
What is this?
This is my lunch. Look. Here's bread, greens, and also cheese.
Practical.
And ham, and sweets.
Great.
Yum. I love to draw. Oh, yes. Like this. Let's see what we've got. Darn, this is awful. No! Darn it, now there's paint everywhere. I need to wipe my hands. Oh, no.
What are you doing?
Just paint. What's this? I think this might come in handy. First, let's cut out these pill compartments. 5 should be enough. Now let's draw a small art palette with places for all 5 compartments. And cut it out. Glue will hold all the things in place. Perfect. Now add the top part. And then the bottom. And seal the edges. Sorry, nail polish, but I need your brush. We'll wrap it with tape to keep it clean. And done! A new art palette with a brush! How lovely! Now let's test the craft in action! Starting with the red color.
How are you doing here? Wow!
Done! Look, Mom!
Oh, very sweet, dear. But still wash off that dreadful stain, okay?
Oh, alright. Today's a very special day! Hi! Hello! What's happening? Today's my birthday! What? Really? Hold on a second. Ooh, what to give? No, that won't do. Oh, I think I know what she likes. Order. Perfect. Wow, she's gonna love this. Hey. This is for you. Happy birthday! Really? What's inside? Wow! Thank you! Did you like it? Yes, I love Lego! I'm so glad! Let's connect like this and try 4 pens at once! It's so cool! Looks amazing! Now I'll draw a rainbow! Woohoo! You're really good at this! Thanks for the gift!
Know what I've prepared for you? A surprise exam!
What?
Exam!
Oh no!
Here, you can start.
Darn, how do I solve this? I'm not ready! She needs help. So… nope, not that.
Here, this should help. Excellent. Now I'll pretend I…
So that means this multiplied by this equals 24. Wow!
Good job!
Now 12 multiplied by 11 equals 132. How cool! I'm done!
Let me see. Good work!
Yay!
Congratulations! Here you go!
Awesome! What a cool thing! Tasty! Yum yum!
And what's this mess?
Oops. Sorry. I'll clean up right away. This might come in handy. Put it like this and add glue to keep it steady. Bend carefully, like this. Perfect! Now add more glue and assemble everything together. Add the top part and close it like this. Make a handle and decorate it a bit. Now add a partition, like this. And that's it! Done!
And what's this?
I made a mini cabinet. Look here. Everything fits in it.
Not bad.
Liked the video? Don't forget to smash that like button. Tell us in the comments how you spend time in school. Subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. See ya!